Welcome back to the Mitch YouTube channel. I wanted to make a quick video to tell you guys that I made a website that has my merchandise as well as some other birdcage and other relevant Corvette information, so let's check it out. Alright, so if you pull open your favorite browser here and you go up to shop.midyearmitch.us, that is what we're looking for here. And that I'll put a link in the bottom of this video and all my future videos. But this brings us to the home page here. So here you can just see just a little bit of information. I won't go through everything, but the highlights here are in the shop tab. We have merch, so you can come through here and find some shirts. So here I have all the sizes, quantities, and it makes it pretty easy to buy everything. You can also check out hat, all kind of good stuff. We can jump over here. So I have a bird cage tab, so I have some history on bird cages. A lot of people ask me about where bird cages rust, how to identify that when you're looking at a car. So I put some common areas there. And then I also just put some basic information on fixing bird cage rust. There's a little bit of about me section, frequently asked questions, which I'll update from time to time. I think I also forgot a couple more in the shop department here. I also will put up parts here that I want to sell that I don't have any current need for. There's a good bit of parts that I'll be adding to this that I just haven't had a chance to add yet, so those will be more to come. And a lot of people ask me, where can I find a project car that you're building? So down here, starting at the bottom, we have the Corvette Split, which is gone, Overkill, which is in the process of being sold. And then I have two projects currently that are in the queue waiting to come. I have a 66 coupe. Right now it's just a rear deck, so I have the birdcage, floor, firewall, doors, all that stuff disassembled that I will eventually put back together. And the same with a split window. I have a brand new Stinger fiberglass rear deck, and I'll have new quarter panels and everything for that. So if you're interested in these, send me an email and there will be a contact tab right here. So you can put your name, email, phone number, your comment, and you can say that you're interested in, some parts or interested in one of these cars. Let me know. I'm going to start building them as a firewall back, probably with stock quarters. And if somebody's interested in it, I could build it for them with their front end, or I can put it on an aftermarket chassis or a stock chassis, whatever. But I'm eventually going to build those as firewall backs. And then last but not least, you can click on the watch tab and that will take you right to my YouTube channel. So if you don't like to navigate through YouTube, you can just go to the website and it'll pull it up right there. So this is a little bit of a one-stop shop. I'll continue to update this as we go, but this is just a rough cut at a website. So let me know what you guys think. Again, there'll be more products coming up and more information, but this is just to dip my feet in and just kind of get started. So let me know what you guys think and what you guys would want to see. And enjoy. But that's going to do it for this video. If you enjoyed, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Also, I ask that you guys check out the merch, and if you enjoy the videos, consider purchasing some, because this website is not free to run, so it definitely helps to offset the costs if you guys buy some merchandise. And also leave a comment for merchandise that you guys might want, and if I get enough requests, I'll probably get that and get some more t-shirts and some other varieties on there. So this is just getting started. We have a lot more to grow on here, hopefully, but I got a lot of work to do, and I'll catch you guys later.